Hi everyone, welcome to Traveling with the Elliots. I'm Brenda, and this is Tyler. Join us on our travels around the world and our home state of Florida. Today, we're going on a Tiki boat adventure in Key West, Florida. So come, take the leap with us. Tiki Boat Adventures is one of the many Tiki boat excursions that you can find in Key West. They have multiple options from sunset cruises to eco tours. We decided to do a private charter in the middle of the day to try to beat the rain. But unfortunately for us, the rain beat us. After a brief safety introduction by Captain Bob, we were off and ready to go. The water was a bit choppy that day, so Captain Bob had called us earlier and advised us to bring rain jackets or ponchos, and we're glad we did. Usually during the Tiki boat adventure, you'll be stopping at a sandbar. But due to the high winds and strong current, Captain Bob took us to a small island. Tiki Boat Adventures do not offer beverages. They do, however, have a cooler stocked with ice, so if you'd like, you can bring your own drinks or food. And after a few quick hours, it was already time to leave our paradise. The boat even comes with a Bluetooth speaker which you could connect to and play your own music. Did I mention that the water was choppy? We had such a great time and would highly recommend going on Tiki Boat Adventures in Key West. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please make sure to click that like button and subscribe for more adventures with us. See you soon!